Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be talking about my lip product that I am loving and recommending for the spring summer months. Since we are in spring, almost summer, I thought it would be fun to continue my little series that I've been doing about spring summer product recommendations and include some lip products. There's some lip oils, some liners, some really fun stuff in here. So that's what today is going to be all about. Before we do get into the fun part, please give this a big thumbs up for me and please subscribe to my channel, you guys. Please join the family. Do not miss out. You get 3 videos every single week, so please make sure that you're subscribed and not missing out on that. But if you want to see my lip product loves and recommendations for the spring and summer, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, if you hear any noises and if the bed looks messed up behind me, it's because Sunny is in there rearranging the pillows and getting comfortable so he can take a nap. So that's why it looks like that. I swear I am not messy, maybe a little bit. But yeah, anyways, back to this. So I do have a few really good products that I have been just loving, and especially for the warmer months that I see myself really grabbing for. And if I'm gonna be completely realistic, I feel like I would grab for these year round, not just spring and summer. But with the warmer months coming, these are the ones that I just picture and think of and want to wear and want to grab. So I'm not gonna go in any particular order, just like normal. I'm just gonna pick up a product, tell you what it is and why I recommend and why I love it, and then we'll go from there. And I will have all of these products linked in the description box of the video. I don't remember any pricing off the top of my head, so it will be in there. But let's just get started. So, first product, actually maybe I'll do lip liners first because there's like the least amount of lip liners in here. So the first lip liner is my all-time favorite. You cannot sway me at this point. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Wherever Walnut. Actually, this is Anywhere Caffeine. I thought I grabbed Wherever Walnut. It is Wherever Walnut. That is the best of the best lip liner I've ever tried. Nothing compares to it. The color is perfect. It matches like the nudie pinkiness of my natural lips almost perfectly. It looks good with every single makeup look, every single outfit, just everything. You cannot go wrong. So I cannot recommend that enough. The one that I recommend, actually, I'm gonna wait to do the next lip liner because I have to talk about this combo, and I think I've talked about it 5,000 times already. But if you want a good lip combo for summer, really any season, Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut and the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Cherry. Oh my gosh, you guys, that lip combo, and you are good to go for the rest of your life. You do not need anything else. It does not come off like super reddish, like a bright red. It gives you a very pretty, like slightly reddish but pinky at the same time, but it still looks like nude, and it just makes your lips pop and look so like juicy and plump, and it is the prettiest lip combo I have ever seen in my life. So I really cannot recommend enough. And that was one of my recommendations for spring summer anyways, is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. Really any of these colors you cannot go wrong with. Cherry is my favorite to pair with like a lip liner like Makeup Forever, but any of these colors you cannot go wrong with. Like I have a Makeup Forever, oh my gosh, I have a Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in like every cabinet and drawer and purse that I own, and I just need one in my hands at all times, so I cannot recommend enough. It just keeps your lips hydrated, moisturized, looking shiny, feeling good for the summer. So love. And then next lip liner was actually a recent one that I tried, and I think this is gonna look so pretty with so many different makeup looks for the summer especially. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Lip Cheat Contour Duo. They had a bunch of different shades, or not a bunch, they had a few different shades that you could choose from. Mine was in the shade medium, and you get like a darker color and then you get a lighter color. So the darker color you outline your lips with, and then the lighter color you color in your lips with. So I'm gonna show you just a swatch on the back of my hand so you can see both of these. Here it is. You get the darker and the lighter, and they pair so beautifully together, you guys. Like you get the perfect contoured like gradient to your lips, and it just makes them like pop. It makes them look really pretty. And while I'm swatching, I might as well swatch these other two for you guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm all over the place today apparently. So the Makeup Forever and the Summer Fridays will be right under the Charlotte Tilbury. So here is Makeup Forever. Also, again, ignore because it's Anywhere Caffeine instead of Wherever Walnut by accident. But you get the point, still beautiful. And then here is Cherry. Like you can see, it's not like a bright red, and on the lips, it's even more sheer, but it is just perfect. It is so beautiful. And then next product is a good lip stain. This is the Satchu, really any of the colors from Satchu. My favorite is pinked. I'm not gonna swatch this because it's gonna leave like a big stain on my hands, and even if I do swatch it, you're not gonna be able to tell the color just from this. But these are so good, you guys. Like they go onto your lips so dark, it does look kind of scary, but when you peel it off, you get the prettiest like natural kind of tint flush to your lips, and it lasts all day long. There's also another one from Glowy that I keep seeing on social media that I really want to try. It looks so good, so I might do a video on that soon. But the Satchu ones, you just cannot go wrong. And this is a perfect product for summer because if you're going to like the beach or the pool or vacation or just doing something and you want a lip product that's gonna just last you all day that you don't really have to think about, this is perfect. And then next are the Gisou honey infused lip oils. You guys, since I tried these, I am addicted to them. Like I wear these pretty much every day. I'm wearing this one right now, which is Glazed Plum. So pretty under a lip liner. It just looks so pretty. It has like a slight shimmer to it, feels so good. And then my favorite to wear on its own is the Bellini Peach. It is so pretty, you guys. It just gives your lips like this slightest peachy pinkiness, and it just feels so hydrating. I feel like I'm taking care of my lips. Like my lips don't feel dry or gross. Like I feel like it's actually taking care of my lips. So I'm gonna show you two quick swatches of these. You could barely tell the difference between the two, but it is there. So here is Glazed Plum, and then here's Bellini Peach. I don't know how well the swatches are showing up, but oh my gosh, they are amazing. Like the quality of these, the feel, just everything of them is so good. And then next product, I have the Summer Fridays Dream Lip Oils. This is in Blush Dreams. You really cannot go wrong. There's 4 shades, I think, or maybe a few more that they've added at this point. I have 4. You can't go wrong either way. These give you a little bit more color than the Gisou or the Summer Fridays would, but the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balms, but they're so good. They're like this, it's almost like a thinner version of this, the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. It's a little bit thinner, it's a little bit more pigmented, but it feels so like soft and silky on your lips. It gives the perfect flush of color to any lip look. You could wear these on their own. They look beautiful on their own, or you can pair them with something else and they look amazing. Cannot go wrong. And then if you want something to splurge on, this is definitely a recommendation. It's the YSL Love Shine Plumping Lip Gloss. If you want something that's gonna give you that little plumpy, tingly feeling and smell amazing and look amazing and just give you that luxurious feeling to you, like if you want something pretty to throw in your bag, this is the one. So here it is right here. It's also a nudish color. Such a pretty color, you guys. Goes so well with so many different lip liners. Goes so beautifully on its own. Like you just cannot go wrong. And then my last product is from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Pillow Talk Big Lip Plump Gasm. This is in the shade medium deep. I also have light medium. It's in one of my purses. That one is my favorite, but this one is like a very close behind it. I'll wear this with like Makeup Forever, Wherever Walnut, or I'll pair it with this contour duo, and it looks so amazing. This one will give you a little bit more of like a depth if you're looking for a more like summer nights, like nighttime kind of glow. This is gonna be everything. If you're looking for more of a daytime, light medium is going to be your best friend. Either way, they are so amazing. I get so many compliments every time I wear this on my lips. Feels so good. It gives you that like juicy, plumpy feeling and look, and just everything about it is A+ quality. And the packaging, you cannot beat this. Like this is the best packaging and I'm obsessed. So there we have it. That is all my lip product recommendations for the spring and summer of 2025. I kept it a little bit more neutral, minus the slight like hint of color that you get with the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. I find myself really gravitating towards like nudes, pinky nudes, like just the more neutral colors. I feel like it looks good with anything you do. I haven't personally been gravitating towards like the bold colors. So these are just products that are true to what I find myself choosing at the moment. So that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about my choices. Let me know what your spring summer favorites for the lips are for the year. And yeah, let me know what else you want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe. Stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.